सरस्वती। हेलो बच्चों, देखो हम लोग केमिस्ट्री का आज कुछ सम बेसिक कंसेप्ट ऑफ केमिस्ट्री डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं, ठीक है, जिसमें कि फर्स्ट टॉपिक है हम लोगों का इंडक्टिव इफेक्ट, राइट। देखो यू नो दैट इंडक्टिव इफेक्ट ये देखो, इंडक्टिव इफेक्ट मीन्स you know that induction means induced होना, right? That's why inductive effect comes from inductions, right? I mean polarization of one sigma bond due to presence of other sigma bond is called as inductive effect, right? Here let us consider like this. Here F is more electronegative elements here, ठीक है, that's why F has tendency to attract electrons towards itself. That's why here partially negative charge appears on F and partially positive charge appears on carbon, right? In these conditions carbon is more electronegative, ठीक है, that's why this carbon again withdraw electrons from this. That's why this carbon contains less partial positive charge, ठीक है, with respect to this carbon. Again this carbon contains less positive charge than that of this carbon. It means this bond is polarized due to presence of CF bond, ठीक है, that's why called as inductions, and this effect is called as inductive effect. Actual inductive effect is of two types. First one is called as positive inductive effect. I mean positive means electron donating effect with respect to hydrogen. Here hydrogen play very important roles. It means acts as extender. With respect to that we can say that positive and negative inductive effect, right? Positive inductive effect means electron donating effect. It has tendency to donate electrons, ठीक है, with respect to hydrogen. That's why called as positive inductive effect. And second one is negative inductive effect. Negative means it can withdraw electron with respect to hydrogen. That's why called as negative inductive effect, right? Actual, let us consider some examples for positive and negative inductive effect, right? Positive inductive effect means all alkyl group like this CH3 it show positive inductive, CH3 CH3. Negative means halogen, NO2, cyanides, all these are functional group and also act as negative inductive effect. और ध्यान से करेंगे।